As preparations intensify for the staging of Reggae Sumfest in St. Anne this weekend, concerns have already been raised about whether the parish can handle the influx of patrons. But the police say months of planning have gone into ensuring the event runs smoothly. The countdown is on for Reggae Sumfest's debut in St. Anne, marking a historic shift after decades in Montego Bay. But while excitement is building over the new opportunities for St. Anne's economy, old concerns have emerged: traffic congestion, parking, and the movement of patrons to and from the venue. However, the police have sought to assure the public they have it under control.
There are a number of strategies that have been implemented. Some of the ones that have been implemented that were not in place on the last major show is the fact that we now have 2 additional gates, and we now have a park and ride component, which will be on 3 locations, which is the Pearly Beach, the Seville Great House, and there is the Discovery Bay playfield.
It's not the first time the police have made such pronouncements. In previous years, the authorities have faced the heat from frustrated motorists who were forced to endure traffic nightmare due to entertainment events held in the parish. So, what will be done differently? Head of Strategic Operations Assistant Commissioner Gary McKenzie says in addition to the traffic changes, there will be strict enforcement.
The police will be on the roadways. We will be restricting stopping and parking in certain areas that have caused congestion before. Those include at Priory. We will ensure that the roundabouts and the intersections are kept clear. We will not accommodate any parking and stopping to cause obstruction. Neither will we be accommodating any unwarranted overtaking. So it is very important that persons abide by the law, stay in traffic. We will ensure that the traffic flows. Just be a little patient.
For his part, St. Anne's Bay Mayor Michael Belnavis has expressed satisfaction with the level of planning, pointed to numerous meetings with various stakeholders leading up to the event.
The parking lot has been expanded to accommodate up to 30,000 vehicles, so it's significant. This area is zoned as an entertainment zone by Honorable Babsy Grange, and we have concurred with that as a municipal corporation. So the entertainment zone is in place.
Traffic aside, the event is expected to attract thousands of patrons, and so there have been concerns about safety and security. We put the issue to the commanding officer for the St. Anne Police Division, Senior Superintendent Carlos Russell.
And we will be having police along the main major thoroughfares, as also we'll having our regular patrols in the various communities to ensure the safety of all individuals. So I can give the assurance to all the patrons coming to this show that at the end of the show will be commendation and not condemnation.
With the planning now entering its final stages, stakeholders say the focus is on delivering a safe and well-managed festival which could pave the way for more major events to call St. Anne home.